One of the foods I like to make when the weather is not friendly is pepper soup. It's a comfort food I like to have, especially on rainy days and also on days when I want to keep my body warm. Today I'm making goat meat pepper soup, and if you want to see how I did this, keep on watching. I'll go ahead and wash the goat meat properly, and I'm using the male goat meat because it takes less time to cook. Next, I'll go ahead and blend in my pepper and onion. If you have garlic and ginger, you can add it as well. I'll go ahead and transfer it to the pot, and I'll pour in the pepper and onion mixture. I will season this with some salt and seasoning cubes, stir everything properly and cover to cook in its own juice. I like to cook my proteins on low heat. It helps it cook better. The pepper soup has been cooking for a while now. I added in more water and pepper soup spice. I also added in more seasoning to adjust the taste. I'll cover this and allow it to cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. I'll be using crayfish to enhance the flavor. It is quite optional, but I like to use it, but in small quantity as well, so it doesn't overshadow the taste of the pepper soup. Next, I'll be adding in some scent leaf. I'll stir and I'll cover this for another 1 minute to cook. And after this, our pepper soup is ready. One thing I have learned about cooking pepper soup is that the longer you leave it to cook, the more intensified the flavor becomes. If you watched up to this point, please do not forget to subscribe. It tells me that you enjoy my video, and also do not forget to give me a thumbs up. When you click on the like button, it helps YouTube to push my video to a larger audience, and it also helps me to grow my channel. Don't forget to also share this link to your family and your friends, and leave me a nice comment. Till the next time, stay blessed, stay healthy, and if you'll be trying this recipe, let me know in the comment section below. Bye.